Welcome to Med Monday. Today we're going to talk about powder protection. First of all, why is it important to talk about this? Well, most metal powders can be hazardous to your health if they're not handled properly. So when do you need to check for your protection? Well, when you're handling open powder, when you're cleaning a machine or cleaning equipment that's powder contaminated, or when you're handling powder contaminated parts or equipment such as spare parts or build plates or printed parts. So what all do you need? So first of all, you need gloves to protect your hands. Then you need a mask to protect your respiratory system. You need to wear glasses to protect your eyes. You need to wear steel-toe boots in case something heavy is falling down. And you need to wear a coat in order to prevent powder from getting onto your personal clothes or to prevent powder from spreading around your facility. So I hope this was helpful to you guys, and I'm looking forward to seeing you next week.